Hello everyone, in this video I'm telling you how to download Django. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first of all you have to go to terminal. So guys, now click on new terminal. So guys, now let's download Django. So for that we have type here pip install Django. So guys, now here you can see requirement already satisfied. So this means Django is already downloaded. So guys, now first let's create our project. So guys, if you want to create your project, then for that you have to type here Django admin start project. Then your project name. So my project name will be main. So guys, now here you can see Django has created this folder and file. So guys, now next you have to close this VS Code editor. Then guys, you have to go to main folder. Then just you have to open this folder. So guys, now we have opened our main folder. So guys, next I'm going to open this Django file. So for that, just we have to type here. So guys, just you have to type here Python manage.py run server. Now just you have to click on enter. So guys, now here you can see this link. So guys, just you have to click on control, then just you have to click on this link. So guys, now here you can see so guys, from here you can view your project. So guys, now next let's see how you can create an app in Python. So guys, just you have to type here Python manage.py start app. So guys, you have to create your app in Python. Then just you have to type Python manage.py start app. Then your app name. So my app name will be home. Now just you have to click on enter. So guys, now here you can see Django has created this home file. So in the home file you can see these files. So this main and home file is not similar. So in the main file you can see setting, but in the home file you can't see setting. And in this main file you can see URLs, and in this home file you can't see URLs. And in this home file you can see app.py, but in this main folder you can see app.py. So guys, now that's it for this video. So guys, now thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, now if you want to get more programming related video, then guys please subscribe to this channel and just press the bell icon. So thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.